Hello my dear students. So the today's topic is law of indices. The very first law is a power m into a power n. Here a is called the base. A is called the base. Base is same. Whenever base is same, the power will always add. Like a power will add m plus n. Example, a power 7 into a power 4. If base is same and sign of multiply, then power will add. We will write a power 7 plus 4, which is equals to a power 11. Second is a power m divided by a power n. A power m divided by a power n. If base is same, then and sign of division, then what we will do? Power will subtract. A power m minus n. Example, a power 7 sign of division and a power 4, then we will subtract the power 7 minus 4. A power 3. Third is a power m in bracket a power n. Here we will do what we will do? A power, the power will multiply m into n. Example, a power 3 power 2. So power will multiply 3 into 2. A power 3 2 are 6. And the fourth power is a power a and b. If we have two different bases and the power is n, so it means power will go to the both numbers, a power n and b power n. We can take example like 2 3. 2 into 3 power 2. It means 2 square into 3 square. Fifth, if a divided by b, if we have two different numbers with division sign and power is n, so this power will go to the both numbers, a power n divided by b power n. Example, 2 divided by 3 power 2, which is equals to 2 square divided by 3 square. Sixth, a power minus n, which is equals to, if power is minus, so it will reciprocal 1 divided by minus sign हटाने के बाद ये हो जाएगा reciprocal. Example, 2 power minus 2. So what we will do here? 1 divided by माइनस साइन को हटा के हम इसे रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, 2 स्क्वायर. सेवंथ, a divided by b power minus n, which is equals to, we can write minus sign हटा के b divided by a and power will go to both numbers. And the eighth is, if a power 0, so it will convert into 1. अगर किसी की भी पावर 0 होगी तो उसकी जगह हम लिखेंगे 1. So these are the law of indices.